Welcome to Natural Cure Quest. In this video, I'm going to share with you why and how you need to cleanse, detox, and purify your blood. We are bombarded with hundreds of different chemicals on a daily basis in our environment, in our foods, the air that we breathe, our skin that we come in contact with, things like heavy metals, mercury, lead, various gases such as carbon monoxide, plastics. These substances can cause many adverse effects on every body system. We also have blood deficiencies, such as imbalance of minerals, one being an iron-copper imbalance, which can cause anemia. And I highly recommend I'll have a link in the description below, but there's a man by the name of Morley Robbins. He's done a lot of research on iron and copper imbalance, and he's actually just published a book on Amazon. I highly recommend you look into him as well. But many people are iron deficient or iron toxic because they don't have enough copper in their system. But that's another topic of discussion, and I'll let Morley Robbins better explain that. We can also be deficient in magnesium, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and those relationships have to be in balance. And if they're not, that can cause all kind of adverse effects. So how do we purify our blood and cleanse our blood? The thing I recommend most is to eat and juice lots of leafy greens. Things like spinach, leafy salad greens, kale. Also, beets are excellent for the blood and for the liver, as well as carrots. Green juices are also very rich in chlorophyll. And chlorophyll not only cleanses the blood, but it also builds up the blood with nutrients. I also recommend to avoid all refined and processed foods, and eat organic whole foods when possible. Some blood cleansing supplements and herbs that I recommend would be chlorophyll tablets, liquid chlorophyll, or fresh wheat juice, which again cleanses and refurbishes red blood cells. Some teas that you can drink are red clover and dandelion. These are excellent blood cleansing herbs, and they also help detoxify the liver, which is a major detoxification organ. Some additional supplements are Dr. Christopher's bloodstream formula, his liver gallbladder formula, and his lower bowel formula. I'm a huge fan of Dr. Christopher's herbs. I'm going to have, again, some links in the description below where you can check these out. They have fantastic reviews, a lot of different patient testimonies, successful testimonies of people using them, helping them heal from all kind of ailments. So I'll include those those items in the description below as well. And the last thing that I really like, and some in my family have used as well, is Dr. Natura Colonix colon cleansing kit. And this comes with a fiber mix. It comes with it's called Perennial. It's like an anti-parasite herb. And then it also comes with a tea that you drink at night. And it's very relaxing, it's very cleansing, and it helps you sleep. Very good. It's a calming type of tea. And then in the morning it helps you go and pass out, it helps you expel all the fiber and all the any parasites that you may have, and it's worked wonders for me. I highly recommend it. This in combination with Dr. Christopher's lower bowel are two excellent options to really to cleanse the blood, to cleanse the bowel, because if your bowel and your liver gallbladder are congested, it's going to be a lot more difficult to cleanse your blood. So I highly recommend that if you're looking to cleanse the blood, you also you focus too on cleansing the colon and the liver gallbladder. because if those two are congested, it's going to be much more difficult to cleanse the blood. So please comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.